Hi everyone! Let's crochet the cord. Let's crochet the first variation of this cord. Make a chain of 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to work with single crochet on the chain. Now I'm working with stitches. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop, make a chain like this, then pull through 2 loops to finish single crochet like this. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up the working yarn, then pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops to finish single crochet. I made single crochet on the chain twice. So now continue. Let's repeat again. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. Then pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops to finish single crochet. And continue. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops to finish single crochet. Here what we have. You can use such cord to create belt, bracelet, necklace, or accessories for hair or your home, or you can use this cord to create handband. Let's crochet the second variation of this cord. Make a chain of 2, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to work with single crochet on the chain. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops to finish single crochet. I have done single crochet on the chain. Here how my work looks like. Then now I insert the hook into the 2 loops. I insert the hook into the loop and I grab the second yarn. Then pull through 2 loops. Pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat one more time. Insert the hook into the loop and grab the second yarn, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. And we have 2 loops on the hook and pull through. I remind you, I'm working on single crochet on the chain. Insert the hook into loop and grab the second yarn. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat again. I hold all loops with my finger. As you can see, this is the 3D double-sided cord, so it will be perfect for accessories. I finish in my stitches. Let's look at my cord. This is the second variation of my cord. Here how it looks. My cable is ready, and let's look at my second example. In this case, I have done my cord longer. than the first one. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, and of course learn and crochet with me. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!